What's going on? It's I Am Beowulf! And hey, it's another Sea Doo video taking out the RXT X 300 2018. And Hurricane Michael is going to be here on Thursday. Today's Tuesday. Check it out. I got it pulled up on my Jeep SRT. So like, that's the hurricane coming. And yeah, so it's on its way. So it's supposed to rain the next couple of days, and then there's like a tropical storm coming, and who knows what else. You know, like a hurricane, you never know what could happen. I mean, it could change to be anything. I know right now the hurricane's going over like 100 something miles per hour, and that's fast. Woo! Man, you imagine taking a road trip through Florida doing like 100 the whole entire time. You travel pretty far. And man, look at this guy. Get over. Alright, so we're going back to the same spot as yesterday. Oh man, it's gonna be good. Get on the ocean with the RXT X. So, should be there shortly and get this thing in the water and get it going. Alright, here, I'll show you guys quickly too. So this is the intercoastal waterway. You see most of my past videos where I'm in the waterway. I can show you guys a little thing over the bridge and what's going on. It's somewhat coming down. Still flooded. I just got alerts on my phone too that it's like an active flood warning right now. It's not even raining yet. And then you know, I'm kind of scared what's all going to happen in this area. Flooding already. You know, we're going to get rain. We're going to get a tropical storm. It's probably not going to be a hurricane, but still, to get an alert saying it's flash flooding, to be warned, it's going to be bad. I feel bad for the people who had the flooding. Lost things, and then you know it's all happened all again. So man, just praying for him, praying for the people. So let's get the video going. And it's raining. Good thing I got my helmet with. Man, just had a big downpour of water, and yeah, it's like storming. I'm still going jet ski. I don't care as long as there's not like who knows what the ocean. Really strong winds going on, and tropical storm coming, who knows, hurricane. It's all coming from the coast, and let's get out there and see what happens. But man, I'm just excited to be jet skiing, so I can't be complaining one bit, except this would probably be the best day to be wearing the wetsuit. It was like 85 degrees, and then with the rain and the wind, the temperature's a little dropped. Let's see what they say. It says 81, doesn't feel like I put my long sleeve Jet Tribe shirt on and try to stay warm. Well, I'm out here. It's not like sunny like yesterday. It's like there's storms coming in. I mean, it's what you gotta do for a video, I guess, right? Man, I'm like shocked I've never came here before. I find this place is like, it's neat to like change up local areas, like different looks. And hey, you never know, we might run into some dolphins, sharks. I got my shark band on, and there's only like a couple people here today when I was at the park here, so I mean, this is gonna be all to myself. The only thing that sucks is like something happens to me, there's nobody who knows about it. Watch my videos. That's why I don't go like totally crazy riding, because it's like most of the time I go out, I'm just by myself, or you know, nobody's out. If I got hurt or something. So yeah, I just want to be careful. You know, birds. So they got me fishing. I know I was looking at possibly purchasing that new Sea Doo, not selling it as a sport, but Sea Doo that's for fishing. Sea Doo. So let's get it going. Well, this is fun. I just rode for about 30-something minutes and the GoPro wasn't recording. And I got huge waves. Now I had to go back out before it gets too dark. Film video. This is exciting. What I do for a video. wild. Guess there's whales right over there. Man, can you imagine if I get that? You gotta be 500 yards away. See what we got here. Do not eat any. Well, who knows what the footage turned out, because if you haven't seen right there, GoPro, well, you've obviously seen the footage, but I don't even know what it is. It's all fogged up. First I went out there for like 30 minutes, did some killer jumps, get back in to see the GoPro. It hit the button, I heard it start recording, but didn't record. So I quickly shot back out there, did whoever, I don't even know how long I was out there for, but enough to where I can see, because my thing's tinted, it's almost dark. Man, I don't know why it's foggy. I cleaned the lens before I left, and just probably because I got out here and there wasn't no sun to kind of bake it. I don't know. Oh, it's so aggravating. At least I went out and had fun. I'll post the footage no matter what, and maybe we'll still see some, and it's just gonna be foggy. I don't know. I've never seen what the GoPro footage looks like when it fogs. It's so aggravating. But it's almost dark. Where I'm at, there's no light. That's gonna be the end of the video. And a hurricane's coming. Who knows what it becomes? It's still it's a category 2. Comes down to category 1. Hopefully it just becomes a tropical storm. But the scary thing is it's gonna be flooding, it's gonna be rain, but then it could be, you know, the power gets knocked out, tornadoes, all that kind of fun stuff. So hey, let's pray for all the states. Florida, let's see, Louisiana, Alabama, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, it's Virginia, and wherever path is going, nobody knows yet. So, but make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and as soon as this storm's all over and this water drains and stuff, this is my spot for right now until the waterway and Waccamaw is open. And I tell you, I like this new spot. It's fun, it's a little drive, but man, we're already in the ocean, which is pretty cool. It's just been rough. I think the waves were bigger today than last video, and should have had my wetsuit on, and the GoPro should have worked. But hey, I'll be back here with another video. To my existing subscribers, whoa, BWoody Nation, and we'll see what happens. There'll be another video. Peace out.